Music publishing is a crucial part of the music industry, but it's often misunderstood. In simple terms, music publishing is like being a landlord for songs. You own the rights to the music and lyrics, and you make money when people use your property. Just like a landlord rents out apartments, you grant licenses for others to use your music. These licenses can be for a variety of uses such as radio play, streaming, or even using the song in a TV show. Each time your song is used, you earn royalties. It's a way to ensure that songwriters and composers get paid for their creative work. So, what exactly does a music publisher do? Their primary job is to help songwriters make money from their songs. They do this by promoting the music to different platforms like radio stations, streaming services, and film and TV producers. Think of them as your song's personal marketing team. Music publishers also negotiate deals for using the music, ensuring that the songwriter gets fair compensation. They collect the royalties generated from these licenses and distribute them to the songwriter. They're like the financial administrators of the music world. If you're an independent artist, starting your own music publishing company might seem daunting, but it's more achievable than you think. The first step is choosing a name for your company. Be creative and pick something that reflects your style. Once you have a name, you need to register your business. This process varies depending on where you live, so it's essential to research the specific requirements in your area. This usually involves filing paperwork and paying a fee. You'll also need to obtain any necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. The legal side of music publishing can be complex, but it's crucial to understand the basics. The most important thing is to copyright your music. This protects your ownership of the song and prevents others from using it without your permission. You'll also want to familiarize yourself with music publishing agreements. These are contracts that outline the terms of use for your music. It's essential to have a clear understanding of these agreements before signing anything. Section 5. Making money from your music. There are numerous ways to monetize your songs as a music publisher. One of the primary avenues is through performance royalties. Every time your song is played on the radio, in a restaurant, or at a live event, you earn performance royalties. Another significant source of income is mechanical royalties. These are generated when your music is reproduced and distributed, such as on CDs, vinyl records, or digital downloads. In today's digital age, streaming royalties are also a crucial revenue stream, earned when your music is streamed on platforms like Spotify or Apple Music. Section 6. Managing your catalog. Managing your music catalog effectively is key to maximizing your earnings. Keep track of all your songs, their copyright information, and the licenses you've granted. This might seem overwhelming, but many software programs and online platforms can help you manage your catalog efficiently. Promote your music to various platforms like radio stations, streaming services, and music supervisors for film and TV. Building relationships with industry professionals can help you get your music heard by a wider audience and increase your chances of securing lucrative licensing deals. Section 7. The benefits for independent artists. Starting your own music publishing company as an independent artist offers numerous benefits. Firstly, you retain complete control over your music. You decide how it's used, where it's promoted, and how much you're compensated. Secondly, you keep a more significant portion of the royalties generated from your music. Traditional publishing deals often involve sharing a percentage of your royalties with the publisher. By owning your publishing, you keep more of the profits, which can be incredibly beneficial for your career growth. Section 8. Is starting a publishing company right for you? Deciding whether to start your own publishing company is a personal one. It requires time, effort, and a solid understanding of the music business. If you're highly motivated to manage your music career and are willing to learn the ropes, starting your own company can be incredibly rewarding. However, if you're primarily focused on creating music and prefer to leave the business side to others, signing with an established publishing company might be a better option. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual goals and comfort level with handling the business aspects of your music career. Section 9. Taking control of your music destiny. Starting your own music publishing company is about more than just making money. It's about taking control of your creative work and ensuring that you're fairly compensated for your talent. It's about building a sustainable career in music on your terms. While the music industry can be complex, the resources and information available today make it easier than ever for independent artists to manage their careers. By taking the initiative to learn about music publishing and taking the steps to manage your own business, you empower yourself to navigate the industry with confidence and achieve long-term success.